Hello, my name is Robert. I'm a tax attorney, and I'm going to explain to you what to do when you're stuck in an IRS payment plan that you cannot afford. So you basically just need to get into another status. I mean, you could just do nothing and let it default and possibly get garnished at some point, but if you want to fix it, the two most popular options are an offer in compromise and currently not collectible status, and we'll go through each of those in a little bit more detail. So filing an offer in compromise. An offer in compromise is a settlement for less than you actually owe. It's the pennies on the dollar tax settlement. And you're not going to see a whole lot of like 90% off type offers. Usually you're getting a ton off or you're not getting anything off. Sometimes a fraction of a penny on the dollar you end up paying. You do not need to keep up on your payment plan while the offer in compromise is pending. And it's the best option for people who cannot pay on their debts and do not have substantial assets. And if you're not really sure if you might qualify, give us a call or fill out our form and we will help you with it and see. Applying for currently not collectible status. So basically, that's a payment plan for $0 a month because your financials show an ability to pay of $0 a month rather than the payment plan amount. And people with assets that are substantial but are broke month to month are good candidates for currently not collectible. Most people that can get currently not collectible can also get an offer in compromise, which is better. But the assets are what make a lot of people not able to qualify for the offer in compromise, so currently not collectible becomes the next best option. Also should be mentioned, there are times where the assets can kind of be explained away and not considered in your offer total. An example of that would be, we had a client that lived in a mobile home and he owed about $30,000. His mobile home was worth about $30,000. And we said that if he was forced to sell the mobile home, he would end up being homeless in a couple of years because he couldn't afford to pay rent anywhere around him. So that was a good enough reason that they accepted it, and his case settled for like $100. The IRS has 10 years to collect most of the time, and this is just something to consider in offer in compromise and currently not collectible scenarios. And some things can extend the amount of time to collect, like when an offer in compromise is pending or a payment plan request is pending. So the payment plan request pending is not a really long time, it's a really short thing. But the offer in compromise request, your offer in compromise could sit there for 2 years. So, back and forth, you're going with the IRS, could be a 2-year process. If you've got a W-2 wage, a lot of the time it's only going to be, 5 to 7 months. But some of these self-employed ones, they do drag on. So if you do get stuck in currently not collectible, you might pay nothing until the debt expires. So that's the other side of it. You just sit around and currently not collectible, your income does not change, the IRS renews it, or maybe they ask you to submit financials again and you're back in currently not collectible. Well, at some point, the tax debt does expire. And you can also see our link below for more information on expiring tax debts. So if you're not sure what to do, get a free consultation. You can call us at 888-5154-TAX. That's 888-515-4829. Or you can go to trp.tax/start. If we cannot help you, we'll tell you and point you in the right direction. So you got nothing to lose. If you're going it alone, you might want to check out our free tax help guide, and you can just Google TRP tax help guide for that. If you need a question answered, just comment on our YouTube videos and a tax attorney will answer. Thanks for watching and have a great week.